Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? In this video, let's try to integrate this product of the sine and the cosine term in integrals. Remember, whenever you see the product of the sine and the cosine term in any combination, what you have to do is you have to really use something called as product to sum identities or defactorization formulas. Defactorization formulas are the formulas which converts the product of the sine and the cosine term into either addition or subtraction. Okay. Depending on the combination that you have, you can use the appropriate defactorization formula. In this case, I have sine A times cos B. So the formula is half sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. So I can apply that formula over here. Remember, this is my angle A and this is my angle B over here. Okay, so I can apply the formula. So I have integral of, the formula is half sine of A plus B. So 7x plus 3x plus sine of A minus B. So 7x minus 3x. Let's close that bracket, and obviously we are integrating with respect to x. Now we can simplify this further. It's already converted from the product form into addition. So it's already in the form that you can split that integral in both of those terms. Let's take that half, which is constant, out of the integral. So we have half integral of, in the bracket we have sine of 7x plus 3x is 10x plus sine of 7x minus 3x is 4x. Close the bracket. Obviously, we are integrating with respect to x. Now give that integral to both of those terms inside of that bracket. So we have half. Let's put a bracket. In the first term, we have integral of sine 10x with respect to x plus integral of sine 4x with respect to x. Let's close that bracket. Okay. Now we know integral of sine is nothing but minus cosine. So we have half. So integral of sine 10x is minus cosine 10x. But remember, in integrals, we always have to divide by the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x here is 10, so we have to divide by 10. It is essentially opposite of chain rule in differentiation, where we multiply by the coefficient of x. Since integral is antiderivative, we have to divide by the coefficient of x. Again here, we have minus. Integral of sine 4x is minus cosine 4x. Coefficient of x here is 4, so divide by 4. Close that bracket. Add the constant of integration. See, and this is really your final result. You can simplify this a little bit. Multiply this minus half inside of that bracket, and you have minus 1 over 20 cosine 10x minus 1 over 2 times 4 is 8 cosine 4x plus constant of integration. See, and this is nothing but the simplified final result of this integral that we are looking for. I hope that made sense. If you are looking to master calculus and integrals in general, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do post math and calculus content every single day. If you want to master calculus, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow.